It takes 15 pounds of avocados to make 1 bottle of oil. We have 0 time to waste.
Every second counts. The moment these avocados hit the pit, the clock starts ticking. From here, they move.
There, just past the scanner.
I see it. Recording as minor defect.
The viscosity on this batch looks promising, but let's monitor the pressure levels closely.
The gauges are.
The flow rate looks good, but check the temperature on panel 4.
Running sterilization sequence now.
See how thick that is? The agitation rate is spot on.
Agreed.
Check the pressure levels on this unit. They seem slightly low.
Already noted it. The maintenance team is aware.
The extraction process is highly efficient. As you can see, the clarity of this oil confirms the purity levels we aimed for.
The flow rate looks consistent, viscosity is good.
Noted. The color is slightly deeper than the last batch.
The flow rate on the yellow line is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the intake valve now. Data looks stable.
These are the readings from the main basin. Everything looks nominal.
Okay, let's update the logbook with today's figures.